What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Feeling by Juice WRLD. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free, brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and you're going to capo up to the 6th fret. It only uses 3 different chords. It repeats throughout the entire song. If you need the chord diagrams, they will be in the free ebook that's in the description below. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's 100% free, has a lot of really good information for you beginners, intermediate, even advanced players, and all the chord diagrams will be in there as well. So if you need those chord diagrams, jump into the description once you get done with the video. For now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Your first chord is going to be an F chord. The easiest way to play this for this song, you can bar it because it's going to be 1 3 3 2 1 1. You can bar it if you have the hand strength to bar the 1st fret. If not, for this song, I play it with my thumb on the 1st fret, and then ring finger 3rd fret A string, pinky finger 3rd fret D string, middle finger 2nd fret G string, and index finger 1st fret B string. Next, you're going to an E minor chord. It's 0 2 2 0 0 0. And then finally A minor. It's 0 0 2 2 1 0. Once you get those chords down, all you need to know after that is the strumming pattern. It's going to be down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And I'll show you how it goes. So starting with your F, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Switch to your E minor, down, 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 and then on your up, switch to the A, up, down, 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 up. So it's a pretty quick switch. I'll show it to you again right now. So down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. So all together it looks like this. Down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The 2nd place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.